Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new types of workouts to the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can only have 10 workout types on your watch at one time. In order to add different types of workouts to your watch, you need to open the Realme Link app. Under My Devices, tap your watch's name. Select Workouts from the options. The top 10 options here are the workout types currently on your watch. In order to add new workouts, you will first have to remove some. So remove the workouts that you don't use by tapping the red minus button to the left of the workout. You can choose from lots of workouts in the Available Workouts section. To add a workout to your watch, tap the blue plus to the right of the workout. You can reorder the workouts by holding down on the far right of a workout and dragging it to your desired location. Tap Done in the top right corner when you are happy with your workouts. As you can see on my watch, I now have the new workouts that I added in the new order that I created. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.